Resetting your Microsoft account password easily. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in www.microsoft.com and then search for it. Once you're in the official website, click on this icon given at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email address, then click on next. Now you will need to type in the password, but you have to click on the option of forget password in order to recover it. You will be directed to this page. We need to verify your identity. In this page, you're going to find the option of email and phone number that are linked with your account. Select any of the number or email to verify your identity. Then click on get code. Now go and check your mail or phone number. You will be receiving the code. You have to type in that code in this page. You can see that I have received mail from Microsoft account team. You will also receive similar kind of mail. Open the mail, you'll get the code. Now you can copy this code, then close this. Then type in the code in this page. After you type in the code, click on next. You will be directed to the page where you can update your password. Type in the new password for your account. Retype your password and then click on next. By that, your password will be updated. You have just reset your Microsoft account's password easily. Now you can provide your email address and the new password and log into your account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.